Welcome back, friends! I feel happy because you will accept a new challenge from me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wish you luck. Choose your mystery gift edition. Choose your gift: penthouse, mansion house, or mystery gift. It's abandoned house. Do you like Spider-Man, Iron Man, or mystery gift? The mystery gift is Red Skull. And now, what do you want? Helicopter, airplane, or something in mystery gift? It's paper plane. What would you choose? Kitten, puppy, or mystery gift? Cockroach. Salad, rice, or something in mystery gift? It's noodle. What do you want? $1, $2, or mystery gift? Wow, $100. Do you like BMW, Rolls-Royce, or car in mystery gift? It's electric vehicle. Choose your gift: Dior, Chanel, or bag in mystery gift? It's Louis Vuitton. Do you like apples, bananas, or mystery gift? It's strawberries. Which one do you want? Apple pie, pumpkin pie, or something in mystery gift? It's cherry pie. Bungee jumping, skydiving, or mystery gift? Roller coaster. And now choose your gift: Apple Watch, Rolex, or mystery gift? Haha, it's paper watch. Do you like diamond ring, diamond necklace, or mystery gift? It's toy ring. Which one do you like? Gaming chair, massage chair, or mystery gift? It's wooden chair. Do you like summer, winter, or weather in mystery gift? It's spring. Swimming in aquarium, swimming in the pool, or mystery gift? Swimming in the river. Do you like shamrock shake, grimace shake, or something in mystery gift? It's Oreo frappe. Choose your gift. Talk to universe. Do you like scrambled egg, boiled egg, or mystery gift? Wow, broken egg. It's tacos. Choose your gift: tote bag, Lego bag, or something in mystery gift? It's plastic bag. Burger, pizza, or something in mystery gift? It's fried chicken. Choose your gift. It's burnt waffles. broken AirPods. It's car toy. And now choose your gift. Wow, unlimited money. It's potato chips. Which one do you like? It's matcha cupcake. Choose your gift. It's quesadilla. It's cheeseburger. Do you like white chocolate, milk chocolate, or mystery gift? Mr. Beast chocolate. It's popsicle. Do you want a treasure, a gold coin, or mystery gift? It's gold bars. Choose your gift. It's vintage television. Fortnite. It's strawberry ice cream. Choose your gift. It's burnt pancakes. Burnt cookies. Do you want Jordan, Adidas, or something in mystery gift? Old sneaker. It's cupcake. Which one do you like? All pastor tacos. It's durian juice. Coca-Cola. Hot chocolate. Blackberries. Do you like pink room, gaming room, or mystery gift? It's PlayStation 5. And now choose your gift. It's broken phone. Mozzarella sticks. Trip to Japan, trip to Indonesia, or mystery gift? Stay at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.